Are you ready to dive into the future of affiliate marketing? Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video will uncover the cutting-edge strategies you need to stay ahead of competition and maximize your affiliate earnings. Affiliate marketing has come a long way. In 2025, it's not just about posting links and hoping for clicks. The industry is evolving fast, and so are strategies that work. Let's break it down. First, niche selection. In 2025, it's all about micro niches. Instead of targeting broad categories like fitness or tech, focus on hyper-specific niches like eco-friendly fitness gear or AI-powered gadgets for productivity. Why? Because the more specific you get, the easier it is to connect with your audience and dominate search results. Next, leverage AI and automation. Tools like AI content generators and automated email sequences are making it easier than ever to scale your affiliate businesses. Imagine creating personalized marketing emails at the click of the button, or optimizing your content with AI-powered SEO tools. Don't forget about social media influencer collaboration. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are gold mines for affiliate marketers. Partnering with influencers to promote your affiliate products can skyrocket your visibility and engagement. And don't overlook up-and-coming platforms like Threads. Getting in early can give you a massive edge. And here's a hot trend for 2025. Interactive content, hosting live webinar, creating quiz, or offering interactive product demos can build trust and drive more conversion. People love engaging content. Is the secret sauce to keeping them coming back for more. Finally, focus on data-driven strategies. Use analytics tools to track what's working and what's not. In 2025, the key to success is constantly refining your approach based on hard data. So there you have it, the strategies that will dominate affiliate marketing in 2025. Remember, success in industry is not about luck. It's about staying ahead of trends, adapting to new tools, and understanding your audience. Ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Hit that subscribe button and let's go together. Thanks for watching. Comment below with your favorite affiliate strategy and we'll see you in the next video.